My experience in the crypto space has made me to understand that most people in the crypto space want to know which coin is the next big coin. They want to know which coin can 10x, 100x, 200x, 1000%, and so on and so forth. Everyone is looking for that next gem that's going to help them become millionaire or make life changing wealth. What about you? What are you looking for? Are you looking for the next big gem out there? Do you want to know which coins out there can make you massive gains, 10x, 20x, this 2025? Of course, you want to know that. And you are on the right spot because in today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 best altcoins for this 2025. I believe these altcoins have what it takes to 10x your investment this bull market or this altcoin season. And it takes a lot of research to come up with these coins. And there are many of such coins, but today I want us to focus on 5. I'm going to be sharing more of these coins with you on this platform in subsequent video. Today I want us to look at these ones first, then tomorrow or the days to come, we're going to look at the other ones. But what is intriguing about these coins is that they have a good community, they have a unique product. That means they are unique in what they do. They are building life changing technologies and they are trying to help other developers out there or other people out there to be relevant in the crypto space. Because if, say, you do something without innovation, then I don't know what you're doing. Because these days it's all about innovation. And this project that I'm about to share with you right now have all what it takes to give you that success, to put smiles on your face. So let's dive right away into what I got for you guys today. But before we do that, I want you to know that this platform is all about helping you make more Bitcoin. I talk about market structure, support and resistance, help you to understand when to buy, when to take out profit, what to buy, and when to stay away from the market. If this sort of content interests you, come on, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button. I think this sort of content should interest you because who else does this out there? I'm here to do this for you to understand what it takes to be successful in the crypto space. So let's dive now into what I got for you guys today. One of my top best altcoins for this year is Avalanche. Now, what is Avalanche all about? Avalanche is a layer one blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain network. It is one of Ethereum rivals aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contract. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. So this is what Avalanche is all about. They are there to do what Ethereum couldn't do. So they are trying to solve most of the problems that Ethereum had. Not as if they want to take Ethereum out of the map, because I don't think any blockchain out there can outsmart Ethereum or can take out Ethereum from the equation. They can try as hard as possible to gain some market share, which is normal. Everyone out there want to build something to solve a particular problem, and I think they are onto something. Yeah. But now, what is fascinating about this project is that, like on this Coinmarketcap, you can get more data about this platform or this coin. You can see the total supply, you can see the market cap, you can see the volume, you can see what is the max supply and what is currently in circulation. And you can see they have a total supply of this amount and the max supply of this amount, and this is what is in circulation. And if, say, we go to how it is being distributed, you're going to see that they have unlocked 44.94% unlock. They have 5.32%, 36%, and they have on track, which is 49%, which is not good, guys. The on track coins is 49%. I don't know what's going on, but again, despite these on track coins, I think this blockchain is one of the top out there that is going to make you massive reward. Now, one thing you have to understand about this project is that they are blockchains that have built infrastructures to harbor other projects. Like let's say they are attracting tokens or project to build on their platform. And let's see what kind of category they find themselves: DeFi, smart contract, 3 hours capital portfolio, polychain capital portfolio, CMS holding portfolio, Dragonfly capital portfolio, real world asset, layer one. So they are layer one blockchain that have access to all of these categories. So developers who are interested in either of these categories can build on their blockchains. And if you go to the ecosystem, we want to see the project that are available currently on their ecosystem. You can see they have Chainlink, they have DAI, True USD, and they have Sushi Swap, Frax, Fraxshare, Spore, GMX, Joe, TrueFi. So as of now, these are the projects that have built or that are doing something on the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, which is awesome. You can see most of them are among the top 500 coins in the space, and this is good thing because investors can see that projects are using this blockchain. Now, if say we dive into the chart of Avalanche, we can see clearly where we are on the weekly time frame. This is where we are, and this is where we can go right up to about 150 dollars per avalanche. That's going to be about 2x your investment. So let's just see quickly, if say price is going to go to that price level, how many percent you're going to make if that's the case? About 3x, almost 2.5x, let me say, give or take, something like that. That's pretty decent, something for you. And this can happen within 2 months. I'm telling you, it can happen within 2 months. So you can just 2x your investment within 2 months and you move to the next thing. But again, we are talking about the future of this coin. How far can it go if say it breaks and move right up to the next high? So for us to look at this, we can now bring in this other tool here, the same tool, but do it in a different way. And this is how I do it. I try to mark it like this, from where the previous move started to the top of that move. Then I take it, from that top of the move to yeah. And also I can still do it this way, and let's just first of all look at the target for this time. This is going to be around $283 avalanche this bull market, but let's just use one indicator to confirm if this is going to be the case. Now this is the indicator that I want to use to confirm this. Let me just bring it here quickly. So I'm going to pluck it from here, top there, bring it back down here. So let's see where we are heading towards. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, almost there, around 4.23 for likes. It's gonna be around the $260 price point. Yeah, so we are like, I'm not far away from it, so it's just closer to it. And that's what I'm thinking of, guys. Trust me, this is where we're gonna go to if say we're gonna see Avalanche break the next high, go right up to this price point. And how many x that's gonna be if say this is gonna be the case. So now let's calculate how many x Avalanche can make you if say it goes to that price point. We're looking at around 5x. Yeah, 5x, something like that. So can Avalanche 5x your investment? Yeah, Avalanche can 5x your investment. This is actually doable from where we are right now. So if say you want a coin that you are somehow guarantee can make you 5x because of the category they find themselves in, then this is one of those coins that I think this bull market can provide for you. Okay, but if say you want more of high risk coins, I want to do a separate video on that. And also Avalanche can do 10x, 20x, but it's gonna be within a long period of time. But this year, I think can do 5 to 10x, no doubt. But we just need to see how the market unfolds. That means Ethereum need to give the way forward. So that's that for Avalanche. The second top best altcoins for this year is Sui. And what is Sui all about? Sui is a groundbreaking layer one blockchain platform designed to support the need of global adoption by offering a secure, powerful, and scalable development platform. At its core, Sui leverages a novel object-centric data model and the secure move programming language to address insufficient prevalence in existing blockchain architectures. Wow, this is amazing about this project. Looking at the tokenomics, you can see here that the unlock is 30%, lock is 69%, which is not good for long-term holders. Like if you're holding it right now, they're gonna dump it on you someday. But again, we are looking at coins that you can make 10x, 20x, just like that. okay, and then move it to Bitcoin. That's the idea. You want to trade this coin, and when it gets to those price point, right, you're gonna cash out your profit into Bitcoin. So that's just the whole stuff about all of these things. I'm not here to tell you hold it forever, but if so you have to hold it forever, you need to understand all of this stuff, the tokenomics. You can see clearly 69% is unlocked. That means almost 70% is out there locked somewhere, and when they release it, they're gonna dump it on you. Again, it's a good project. Now, let's dive into what we got here in relation to the chart of Sui. So, looking at the chart of Sui, we can see clearly that this bad boy has been in an uptrend consistently. Consistently, it's in an uptrend. So, actually, Sui is having its bull market already since last year. That was around August 2024. Is having its bull market, and so far, how many X have this bad boy made it for investors since that time? So let's see how many X this bad boy has made investors. That's 10X. So it has already 10X most investment out there. Now, can this happen again? Can this coin 10X? Yeah, let's dive a little bit back to see what they got in their category, so we can see which kind of project can be attracted to this platform. We can see they have Binance Launch Pool, Coinbase Ventures Portfolio, Binance Lab Portfolio, Electric Capital Portfolio, I A16Z Portfolio, Layer 1, Move VM, that's MVM. We can look at their ecosystem, but look at this category here. These are the kind of project they want to attract to their platform, to their ecosystem. And if we dive into their ecosystem, we're going to see some of the projects that are already on this platform. And this project at the top in the crypto space. You can see here, Sui is the top in the ecosystem. First Digital USD, D-Book Protocol. We have Setos Protocol, Lofi. Many of them here are among the top 1,000 coins, which is good. You want to see project hosting or launching or utilizing base blockchain. And this can prove to you that projects are utilizing this blockchain. It's easy for me to say that this blockchain have a huge future. And if we go to DeFi Lima, we're going to see that Sui is among the top blockchain here on DeFi Lima, which is growing so fast. We check on the TVL, they have 2 billion. They have 2 billion TVL, which is awesome. I love this, and this just confirmed to me that the project is good. You can see this DeFi project are hosting on their platform. So Suiland, Navi Protocol, Setos, most of the ones we have seen there, they are here. You can look at DeFi Lima to see most of the projects that are doing well on the Sui blockchain, which is awesome. And going back to the chart of Sway, it's clear that we can see some sort of pullback, which is okay, is normal. But the idea here is this year you can make at least 5 to 10X from this coin. That's just the idea. So how you go about investing in it is up to you. I'm not here to teach you how to invest. By the way, if you want to learn how to invest, you want to learn how to trade, how to do what I do, then make sure you take my complete course. I have one-on-one session where I teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. I take you where you are towards where you want to be and help you to be able to do what I'm doing right now. So if that interests you, make sure you hit the link below this video and connect with me so that I can help you one-on-one to attain your goals, because that's something you need to do. If you want to be outstanding in this space, you need to learn, educate yourself. Education should be your priority, and that's what I have been doing all through my existence, and that's how I got to where I am now. Let's move to the next coin, or the next project, which is Near Protocol. And I think Near Protocol is one of the top coins that you need to have in your portfolio. I'm going to explain more why I think you should or must have Near Protocol in your portfolio. But let's look at what Near Protocol is all about. Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bugging computing blockchain, such as low transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor interoperability. This provides the ideal environment for dApps and creates a developer and user-friendly platform. For instance, Near uses human-readable accounts names, unlike the cryptographic wallet addresses common to Ethereum. Near also introduces unique solutions to scaling problems and has its own consensus mechanism called dump slug. So this is pretty all what near protocol is all about. Now let's get into the categories to see what. Before we go there, let's just look at the circulation, or what is in circulation, the token distribution, or the tokenomics. You see, that's how you want to call it. You can see clearly that unlocked. So what they have unlocked so far is 91%. This is awesome. That's what makes this coin or this project one of the top among this list. Okay, so that's why I say you should. It's a must-have. But what is also here? You can see here that lock they have only 8.83%, which is awesome. That means most of the supply is in circulation. And if we look at how far everything is going to be in the market, we're looking right up to about 2025. So this year they're going to unlock everything. That's why I think this coin can easily 20x your investment just like that. I mean, near protocol can 20x your investment just like that. So let's dive now into the category to see what they are all about. So, guys, look at this. They are more into platforms, staking, Coinbase venture portfolio, 3 Arrows capital portfolio, Arrington X Agope Capital Portfolio, Coin Fund Portfolio, Electric Capital Portfolio, Fabric Ventures Portfolio, Kinetic Capital Portfolio, Cross Chain, Circle Ventures Portfolio, Layer 1, Alesec Securities, Account Abstraction, data availability, AI, and big data. So they are, by the way, they are one of the number one crypto AI project out there. So if you hear about crypto AI, Near Protocol is leading the crypto AI space. They have built infrastructures to accumulate AI-based crypto project to launch on the blockchain. And you can see all of these categories. If say any project out there want to build on either of these categories, they can go on the Near platform and build an amazing product there. So I love exactly what I'm seeing here. Now let's move to the chart of Near protocol. Let's see what this bad boy holds for us. This is Near on the weekly time frame, and we can agree that Near is almost approaching the all-time high, which is about $20, something like that. Looking at this chart, let me confirm this more with other chart. If say that's the case, let's see KuCoin. Yeah, that's the case, around $22 for KuCoin. Let's see other chart. If say gonna give us similar data, that's OKX giving us $20, almost $22, something like that. So it's between the $22 and $20 range. But Near is approaching that level, which means we might see Near go right up to even $100 per year this bull market. That is something doable. Why? Because when you look at the supply, almost everything is out there in circulation. And I love to see a coin that almost everything is in circulation. And this tells me that if investors are buying and holding, it's going to be awesome to see that the price keep going up, 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 up. And right now the price is just $5. Let's just go and analyze this to see if that is the case. So I want to plug this right now, do it like this. Bring the same tool from the bottom to the top there, bring it back here. So let's see where it takes us. I want to see where it takes us so we can confirm where we are heading towards. So I think, oh boy, I think this coin can take us right up to about like someday. I don't think it's gonna happen now, but I think someday you can see 1 year reach $1,750. But I don't think that's something doable. Now let's look at what is doable on this. And what is doable is that Near protocol can hit $145, or $140 this bull market. So that's my prediction for Near protocol, and I think this is doable. Why? Because if we look at where price is right now and we look at the different levels on this Fibonacci, it shows us that the next level is going to be no doubt around $30 per year, which is something we can consider this bull market. But if say the bull market lasts for long, then we are looking at $150 or $140 per year. This might be insane, but I'm doing this based on the fact that most of the supply is already there. So if say AI is the future, which we all can agree that AI is the future, that means this coin can pretend as if they are NVIDIA to print us lots of gains. So that's that for Near Protocol. The next on my list here is DOT. So what is Polkadot all about? Polkadot or DOT? Any way you want to call it. Polkadot is an open source shaded multi-chain protocol that connects and secure a network of specialized blockchains, facilitating cross-chain transfers of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby allowing blockchains to be interoperability with each other. Polkadot was designed to provide a foundation for a decentralized internet of blockchains, also known as Web3. Wow, so they were designed for Web3. Period. Web3 is the future. And I know most of you are like, okay, what actually is going on here? But before we even go there, let's just get into more of the details here. As usual, let's look at what we got here in terms of their unlock. So they have 59%, almost 60% unlock, which is good. 40% is still unlocked, and on track is 0, which is still good. So I want to believe that the 40% which is there, maybe the team is using it for like to grow the project, to for marketing, all this stuff, or maybe it's in the hands of the top investors out there. Well, I don't know, but what I do know is that we have right up to 2030 before all of this is unlocked to the community. That means we can have price fluctuation, more price fluctuation for Polkadot, but it doesn't mean that the future for DOT is not okay, it's not cool. And that can explain why the price is doing what the price is doing. Maybe when we see token unlock, most of it is being dumped in the market and they don't have buyers to buy immediately. So I think to an extent we can say that it's a good project, but again, we should look at the tokenomics to help us understand if say price get to certain price level, like certain key levels, be it resistance, you want to cash out some profit before they dump it back on you after the token must have been unlocked. Okay, so that's just the idea for those of you who are investing in this long term. But let's look at the chart of Polkadot. Look at this chart, guys. This is one of the best chart out there in this space. Look at the upside for this coin. The price here is around $56. Price is here at this point in time around 7.680. So let's take it from where price is right now to the high, which is going to be around almost 6x. That's 6x. So this coin can easily 6x your investment like that. What is doable right now, I mean, like it can happen instantly, is that this coin can 3x your investment just like that. And this will happen. This 3x is going to happen, no doubt. This, I can guarantee you that DOT is going to 3x your investment. Now, the question is, you want to make 10x from this coin? Yeah, you can do that. And if say this coin go and make all-time highs, then we can see it go right up to that 10x that we are talking about, or that I'm talking about. But for now, I think we're gonna approach this key level here around where the alpha trend printed the sell signal. That's 3x, that's almost 4x, and from there we're gonna target this high of $56. That's gonna be about 7x or 6x, your investment. This is awesome. If say you want to really make some gains there. Yeah. And guys, again, I'm not saying you should hold this forever. I'm just saying for those of you who are swing trading with me, these are the kind of coins we should be swing trading, because we can guarantee the target because of their ecosystem. They are layer 1 blockchains. They have built infrastructures to harbor most projects out there who are in the AI space or who are in the category that they found themselves in. And that's pretty awesome, okay? Polkadot is one of those coins that I think can help you make massive gains this time around. The next I got for you is Toncoin. Toncoin has been making waves last year and is still making waves this year. And what is Toncoin all about? Toncoin is the native cryptocurrency of the decentralized layer 1 blockchain, the open network Ton. The Ton blockchain is open source and supported by many network contributors, including the Switzerland-based non-profit organization, the Ton Foundation. Since 2017, the Telegram team has been developing the code base for a blockchain network, then named Telegram Open Network Ton, with a native cryptocurrency named Gram. In May 2020, Telegram founder and CEO Pavel Durov announced the end of Telegram's involvement with the Ton blockchain following a court order by the SEC. The Gram token was never issued. Guys, what you're trying to say here is Telegram was working on something like this in the past, and they got court case. Government was trying to shut them down based on what they were trying to achieve. So they shut down the project at that time, and now they revive it in the name of Ton, and they said to the public that they are no longer, or Telegram is no longer aligned with Ton. But if you look at the futures of Ton blockchain, it's all connected to Telegram. So Ton is built for Telegram, even though Telegram is trying to, say, okay, Telegram is not part of Ton. But again, we can say that the Ton Foundation is actually doing the work that Durov wouldn't achieve because of the court case. So, yeah, I just want you guys to understand where this is heading towards, because Telegram is one of the fastest growing app out there. And if, say, we are talking about Web3 payment system, Telegram is advanced more than any app out there in this space as of now. I'm talking about using Telegram for day-to-day activities. Now you can send money through Telegram to people out there. I don't know about where you are, but where I am, I can send money to people through Telegram. Okay, so this is something innovative, and Ton blockchain, like most of the transaction happens on the Ton blockchain, which is awesome. And if, say, you're not bullish on this platform or on this project, then you should be bullish on this project. Let's look at the token distribution here, which is something I don't like. The whales have 65.72%, while others have 34.28%, which is not something good. I don't like to see that whales are holding more of the supply. But again, what can you say, or what can you do? The coin is a good coin. The project is a good project. What they want to achieve is so amazing in the Web3 space. They are building application, gaming. They are into everything. And I love the fact that Toncoin has built a unique blockchain, and this is a layer one blockchain. Because if we go to the category, you're going to see that this is a layer one blockchain. You can see clearly here that, it's a layer one blockchain. And these are the categories that they belong to. And let's look at their ecosystem to see what they got there in their ecosystem. Because at times, if, say, you want to invest in coins, you need to understand project in their ecosystem. So let's see which projects are in the Ton ecosystem, so we can best conclude whether this is the next big thing or not. You can see, they have good project there, and most of the projects are in the top 1,000 coins in the crypto space. You can see here Measure, Bitget Wallet Token, Cartesian, X Empire, Go, Mining, Hamster Combat. So this is more of games, something like that, meme coins on this blockchain. So this is it. You now have the top 5 best altcoins that I think can do well this 2025. And you have listened to all what I have to say about this coin. Go now and do your own research. Don't just buy this coin because I say so. Go and buy it because you have made your own research, or you have done your own research and discover that they are really good projects. And don't forget this, I came to the conclusion that these projects are the top in the space because of what they have done in the past, the categories that they found themselves in, and the future of cryptocurrency, which is more into AI, Web3, gaming. All of these coins are building infrastructures to onboard new project out there to establish in the crypto space. If this content was helpful to you and you want to keep creating more of such content, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. And if, say, you want to take my complete one-on-one session to educate yourself, then make sure you hit that description of this video to connect with me through my link tree. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.